Act number 7610, particularly Article number 6, Section 10, subsection A to C. This law is focuses on protecting children from abuse, exploitation, and harmful conditions that affect their development. So let's start in Section A. Any person who commits acts of abuse, cruelty, or exploitation not covered by existing law but is still harmful to a child's development shall be punished with prison mayor in its minimum period. So this section parang catch-all na siya for the bad actions against sa mga bata. Hindi masyado na mention sa ibang laws. Ang goal dito is to protect minors, like important talaga. So lahat ng forms ng maltreatment, kahit hindi siya nakasulat, pwedeng mapanuko. Okay, gets? The next one is section B. Anyone who brings or keeps a minors under 12 years old or someone 10 years old younger than the adults in a place like motels, bars, or similar establishments will be penalized with prison mayor in maximum period at is fine at least 50,000 pesos. So this section naman is all about this keeping kids away from the unsafe or inappropriate places like these places na kanang na-mention kanina. Para maiiwas ang mga abuse or exploitation. Pero wait, may exception. Kapag ang adults is close sa relatives or sa guardians, that's a present nila na relevant sa mas culture or tradition. Okay lang yun. So let's start to section C. Anyone who includes or delivers a minor to someone for a purpose of violating Section B will be punished with prison mayor in its medium period and its fine of at least 40,000 pesos. If the offender is a parent, step-parents, or guardians, the penalty is harsher. For this section is targeting those people who act as a facilitator or intermediaries sa abuso. Like if they purposely bring kids into a bad situation. That's wrong kung ang portrait is someone trusted like parents. Mas grabe ang ilahang consequences, like losing parental authority. And now, let's proceed to the next reporter, which is si Miss Mary Rose Babilonia.
Thank you, Miss Oribia. Before we proceed on our topic, let me introduce myself first. My name is Mary Rose M. Babilonia from BPED F1. And today, I'm gonna continue our topic. Section D. Any person, owner, manager, or one entrusted with the operation of any public or private place of accommodation wherein occupancy, food, drink, or otherwise including residential places, who allows any person to take along with him to such place or places any minor herein described shall be imposed a penalty of prison in mayor medium period and it has less than 50,000 pesos and the loss of the license to operate such as a place or establishment. Do you have any idea what is my topic all about? So first, my topic describe na ang person daw na naga-manage or naga-operate ng isang places, whether it is a public or a private places, ay hindi ina-allow na magdala ng mga bata pa, especially if minor pa sila, kasi mahatulan sila ng 50,000 pesos. Or makukulong sila ng 6 months, 1 year and 1 day, or even a month. Pwede din sila matanggalan ng lisensya to operate such a place or establishment. Do you have any question sa Section D? Any clarification? Kung wala, let's proceed in Section E.
Section E. Any person who shall use coerce, force, or intimidate a street child or any child to begging or use begging as means of living. Act as conduit or middleman in drug trafficking or pushing. Or conduct any illegal activities shall suffer the penalty of prison correctional and its medium period to reclusion perpetua. From the word coerce, it is unwilling person or to do something by using force or threats. Dito din, nagpapaliwanag na ito ay ginagamit na pananakot sa mga bata o sinumang bata sa lansangan. First, I'm gonna explain the number 1, which is beg or use begging as means of living. For example po dito is ang mga bata sa lansangan or ang mga bata naglilimos sa mga kalye. Ito lamang ang kanilang paraan upang mamuhay. Number 2 naman is act as conduit or middleman in drug trafficking or pushing. Ito ang mga tao na nagtutulak ng droga. Number 3. Conduct any illegal activity shall suffer the penalty of prison, correctional, and its medium period to reclusion perpetua. Dito naman kung sino ang conduct ng mga illegal na mga activity tulad ng mga bawal sa mga law ay pwede silang makulong. For purposes of this act, the penalty of the commission of acts punishable under Article 248, 249, 262, Paragraph 2, and 263, Paragraph 1, when the victim is under 12 years of age. Act Number 3815, as amended, the revised penal code for the crimes of murder, homicide, other intentional mutilation, and serious physical injuries, respectively, shall be reclusion perpetua when the victim is under 12 years of age. Yun lang po at maraming salamat. Sana meron po kayong natutunan. Any clarification? Question? So now, let's move on to another lesson, which is Lesson 8. Again, my name is Mary Rose M. Pabilonia, your reporter. Thank you.